Let's be honest, as boomers, we never thought we would get old. We were the forever young generation. And the truth is, many of us still feel vigorous, vital, involved. But the other truth is that arthritis is slowing us down. We talk about knee and hip replacements, and we've lost friends and family members, and sometimes we even worry about whether we will outlive our money. At Boomer Banter, we are on a journey to explore how to live vibrantly, healthfully, with strong relationships and purpose as we age, without sugarcoating or avoiding the uncomfortable, unexpected, or the often uncertain challenges that aging presents. Like any journey, we believe aging well requires preparation and vision. We need the right gear and a trusted map. Financial literacy will be our sturdy hiking boots, and good health will provide us with balance and security. Friends are the fuel that keep us moving forward, and a sense of purpose becomes our trail map. As a former corporate leader turned life and transition coach and entrepreneur, I'm on a quest to navigate the journey of aging well for myself as well as for everyone else who is walking the path alongside me, with honesty, candor, and some fun. With many years of aging well experience and plenty more to come, I am here to tackle all the confusing, humbling, and hopefully life-affirming questions you've been pondering to help make the journey a little less rocky and a lot more fun. So let's age well together. Tune in to Boomer Banter and let's gear up for this next stage of our lives.